Hello guys again, we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this insect killer. Keeps bugs at bay both day and night. Practical hanging loop, 3 years warranty, environmentally friendly, no chemicals, fully insulated housing with a protective mesh. Low energy consumption approximately is 4.7 watt, easy to clean with removable cutting tray, including cleaning brush. And let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice cable. And the manual, of course, and if you want to read it, your choice. Stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this. Okay, this is the tray. You can open it just like that. And there is a brush, very practical brush, just for cleaning your insect killer. Oh, and this is the loop. You can put it wherever is suitable for you. Well, let's try on to see how it works. And again, you can lock it. And there we are, guys. You can see it brights very well. And I'm sure it will do a great job just killing your unwanted bugs from your house, garden, wherever is suitable for you. And with all that, guys, that was the end of this unboxing, reviewing and testing. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who will need it. And definitely hit the notification bell, more are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.